front of me is OUKITEL C33, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic text correction. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Keyboard. Following that, just click on Text Correction, scroll down and tap on this switcher next to Auto Correction. This way you will turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!